In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage assignees and invites in a beginner campaign in Wrike. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, navigate to your beginner campaign folder. You can usually find this in the relevant space on the left-hand sidebar. Click into the beginner campaign so that you're looking at the table view of your tasks. This view lets you quickly see things like task names, assignees, and key dates all in one place, which is what we need for this walkthrough. Next, we're going to work with the assignee column. Find the task you want to update and move your cursor over to the assignee field for that task. Click on the assignee area. This will open a small panel or drop-down where you can see current assignees and available users. If you don't see anyone listed yet, don't worry, we'll cover how to invite someone in a moment. Click again on the assignee section if needed to bring up the full selection menu. Here, Wrike usually shows you suggested users, people who've worked on similar tasks, or members of your account. This is helpful when you're assigning work within your existing team. Now, click on the highlighted option that represents the person or placeholder you want to focus on. In many cases, you might see a generic or test user listed. Selecting this highlight confirms that you're choosing that specific user as the assignee for the task. If you're using an internal or test account as a stand-in for a real teammate, go ahead and click on that test account entry. This is useful when you're setting up workflows, templates, or demo projects before rolling them out to your actual team. Next, let's look at the Go Live date. Locate the Go Live date column for the same task, then click on that date field. This is an important step because your assignee needs a clear timeline. When you click on the date, a calendar or date picker will open. Choose the appropriate date so the task is aligned with your campaign schedule. In the date picker or related panel, click on the highlighted option to confirm the date selection. This ensures Wrike updates the task so everyone sees the correct Go Live deadline. If you need to assign the task to someone who isn't yet in Wrike, click into the assignee field again and select the option to invite by email. In the invite panel, click on the highlighted email area, then type the person's email address. This sends them an invitation to join your Wrike account and automatically connects them to the task you're assigning. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently assign tasks, set a clear go-live date, and invite new collaborators directly from your beginner campaign in Wrike.